Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create this scroll rotate animation in Framer without writing any code. I got the inspiration from this website. I'll also share a free remix link in the description. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Create a new project, go to layers, desktop, click this layer to make it stack, press F on keyboard to add a frame, set the width, fill, height 1200 pixel. Click this layer to make it stack, name it rotate, go to desktop, hide, fit content, click here, right click on it, create component, go to insert, search for video, drop it here, set the width 210, height 190, add some radius 20, click upload, choose file, upload our video. Then press Ctrl+D to duplicate this, select both, wrap them in a stack by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Enter, name it 1, set the direction vertical, height 1200 pixel, distribute, space between, rename it to 1, and for this 2, go to transform, rotate, enter value 180, then click here, duplicate this 4 more times, select all, wrap them in a stack, name it maybe container, select all, change the position to absolute, unpin it like this, align it, center, scroll down, transform, rotate, update the layer name here, go to the second layer, scroll down, rotate 35, for this 70, 105, finally 140. Click here, remove the fill color, update the video. Now let's animate it. Click here, fill, add a black background, click this container, effects, scroll transform, trigger on scroll, on the from state, set the opacity 1, scale 1, and on the to state, go to rotate, add value 360. Now let's see how it looks. Yes, it's working. We need to add transition, physics, add some damping, maybe 200. Now let's see. Yes, it looks better now. If you look closely at our project, you will notice that it's rotating even without scrolling. To achieve this, go to effects again, loop, leave everything as it is. We only need to adjust the timing. Let's see how it looks before we add any time values. Horrible. So go to this linear, add time 80. Let's see. Yes, now it looks perfect. And when we scroll, it looks like this. Also on our project, when you hover over it, this text, the elements become smaller, the whole element. To achieve this, let's add our text first. Press T on our keyboard to add text. Select it, change the color to this color, size 130, font and letter. Perfect. Now drop it to the variant 1, position absolute. Let's break it to 2 line, select it, align, center, click here, change the name to desktop and add another variant. Click here, name it hover, expand it, select all the layer like this, and now press shift alter and move your cursor here. As you can see, the icon is changed. Let's zoom out a bit. Then click this text, add z index 2, scroll down, change the color to white. Now click this text, click this icon, drop it here, interaction, mouse enter, and click here, interaction, mouse leap. Now let's see. Perfect. Now let's make it responsive by adding breakpoints. Framer doesn't support circular layouts natively, so elements in a circle won't automatically adjust when the frame resizes. To keep everything looking correct at different sizes, we need to set up breakpoints and adjust the size manually. So click here and then click here, name it tablet, then set the width 810, expand this container, select all, reduce the sizes like this. we can collapse it, then expand it, select all, set the width 140, reduce the height maybe 130, maybe 135. Click this text, scroll down, size 80, color white. For tablet and mobile, we don't need the hover effect because touch interactions are tab based and hover would create a poor user experience. Finally, let's add one more variant for the phone. Name it phone with 310. Select all, collapse it, width 60, height 50. Let's see. Reduce the radius to maybe 5. Click this text, scroll down, size maybe 25, maybe 35. Yeah, it looks nice. Let's go to the home to see how it looks. We can add some empty frame on top and bottom. With fill height maybe 60 VH. Remove its fill color, name it spacer 1, duplicate it, name it spacer 2. Press down arrow on your keyboard to move it to the bottom, then click this desktop, change the fill to black. Now let's see. Now let's add tablet and mobile breakpoints. Click here, tablet. This is a tablet variant. If you click here, rotate. As you can see, this is the tablet variant. Frame are already selected, and now click here for the phone. Let's preview to see how it looks. This is the tablet version. As you can see, adding a hover effect on tablet looks unnatural. So double click here, click this text and remove it. Also for the phone. Now let's see. This is the tablet version. And this is the phone version. For the phone, we can reduce the height to maybe 30 VH on top and bottom. Also for this component, let's decrease the height maybe 60 pixel. Now let's preview it. Yes, it looks now perfect. So this is how you can easily create this type of scroll rotate animation using Framer. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That's all from today, and I'll see you in the next video inshallah.